welcome to the grand opening of Aquarium. Of course, you're going to college.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
Sir, compress tayo, compress. And ex-Mayor Chi Atienza. We'd also like to acknowledge the Powerhouse Execom, Sir Jasper C., Carl, Sir Eric, Sir Ken, Sir Jordan, wait lang pa. So first, we'll do the ribbon cutting and then later magbibigay lang ng speech, of course, ang ating mga VIP. So sige po, we'll start the ribbon cutting and later we'll give messages. So with our ribbon cutting is our franchisee, Sir Jonathan Simbolan, yung wife ni Sir Jonathan and si Miss Jessamine, ang kanilang mga fathers, Sir Rolando and Sir Leopoldo. So, natawag po ako ng one, tapos ribbon cutting. 1, 2, 3. So, go na po. Congratulations, Powerhouse for Yones Tondo. So first po, ayan, thank you po, Yorme. So first po, magbibigay lang po ng message. Let's start with the message lang po from our CEO. So Sir Charles. Sir Charles will give muna a message.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much. Mayor Isko Moreno, thank you so much for coming. And Vice Mayor, thank you so much for being with us today. And maraming salamat sa ating franchisee, Francis Tulan, and their family. First of all, Jonathan is now OFW working in Singapore, but he chose to open the store, hardware store, here in Manila. So thank you so much for opening Powerhouse, Music Powerhouse, Music Manila. They are quite short of opening their store, and at the same time, opening everything here in Manila. Once again, thank you so much and good morning, everyone.
So thank you, Sir Charles. And now naman po, we will a short message from our Vice Mayor. Short message, ma'am. Ay, unang-una nakakatuwa na may mga bagong negosyo na gustuhan dito sa Maynila. Ito ang nagpapakita na buhay na ang gobyerno dito. Kaya palakpakan natin ang mga nag-franchise ng powerhouse na siyang tutulong rin sa syudad. But nevertheless, no, na nandito lang kami ni Yorme. Delivery. Congratulations sa inyo. Thank you, Vice Mayor Chi. So, of course, we'll ask a message from Mayor Isko Moreno.
Yung iba, abangan nyo lang ha. Tuloy-tuloy naman everyday. You're receiving government open to find ways na walang magutom sa lungsod ng Maynila ngayong Paskuhan. But we are here today. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos at talagang laging ginagabayan ang ating lungsod dahil yung ating numero, what we have said 2 weeks ago, napapatunayan na muling sumisikla ang paghahanap buhay sa lungsod ng Maynila. And congratulations to Lando at sa kanyang pamilya, sa franchisee, at sa ating mga negosyante. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala niyo sa lungsod. This will provide more jobs for our people. And this is our direction. Alam niyo naman, MB and Guy, no? Yung healthcare, education, housing, and jobs. Always like that. Wala na akong pagtuturan ng malaking panahon, hindi paano itaas ang antas ng pamumuhay ng tao sa lungsod ng Maynila. But today, our house came to the house. Yun! Natutuwa kami na lumalaki at ang powerhouse ay true-blooded Manileño. Para lang sa kaalaman ninyo. Dito yan nagsimula sa Binondo, sa buong Pilipinas. Meron ng powerhouse. And I'm happy na meron dito sa Tondo. So muli, congratulations, magandang araw. Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. May awa ang Diyos. Makakaraos din tayo. Magandang magandang nawa kayo ng pongo.
Maraming salamat, Mayor Isko. And of course, also as a few message, a short message from franchisee, Jonathan Simbulan.
Hello, magandang umaga sa lahat at maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo sa grand opening namin. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon at binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon magbukas ng powerhouse sa Tondo, Maynila. Ang ating layunin ay makalapit ang murahing tools, kalidad na tools sa mga tiga-rito sa Tondo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Sir John. Sir, group picture lang din tayo. So again, congratulations to the grand opening of Powerhouse Moriones. Sir, we'll have a group picture lang. So yung family and Sir Jonathan, ma'am, sama ka na. Yung malapit. Okay. Ready. Congratulations, Powerhouse Moriones Tondo. So again, to acknowledge and thank EIP, Mayor Isko, Vice Mayor Chi, our ex-ecom, Sir Eric, Sir Ken, Sir Tony, Sir Jarvis, Sir Charles, Sir Jasper, and of course, our franchisee, Sir Jonathan. Ito po yung promo natin. Mamaya pa po yung mga client. Yung promo po, 10 o'clock pa. 10 o'clock pa po yung promo natin.
David, kumusta talaga kayo?
Huwag mo na dyan.
We are very honored sa presence, of course, ng ating gwapong-gwapong City Mayor. and very pretty Vice Mayor Chi. So Powerhouse is here to serve the community. So sulit at maaasahan. Powerhouse is one with Manila to help rebuild our nation. So basta trabaho sa Powerhouse, kaya!
Pati solar? Oo, solar
Congratulations, Powerhouse, Mariones Tondo.
Electric light. For electric. Now we are focused on making
lahat naman nung ano niya, di ba, yung stand choice. So, we just like that.
Sa Bosch, ano pala yun? Di ba brand name? Brand name.
Para talaga ang efficient.
morning by. Happy
499 pesos. Angle grinder, 99 pesos. If you are the first set na makakaabili ng 999 pesos. All items are on sale. All items are on sale sa Powerhouse Coriones Condo. So again, we are very privileged. Mayor is born and Vice Mayor Chief Grace the grand opening of Powerhouse Coriones Condo. Congratulations, Powerhouse Coriones Condo.
Ang saya ni ate yung girlfriend. More sales.
Sir Charles, Sir Tony, sa mga Then, ayan, Sir Charles, Sir Tony, ayan.
Ready po. 1, 2, 3.